ma'am. I'm Andre, your ballet attendant for today. Is there anything else that I can carry?
Yes.
This way, ma'am. Can you take a seat, ma'am?
Thank you.
Kindly for me to reserve you accommodation.
Yes. Here.
Ma'am, just wait for a while. Thank you, ma'am, for your patience. Here's your key card, and let me guide you to your room. This way, ma'am.
Oh, what a nice room.
Ma'am, where do you want me to put your bag?
Just take it to the other side of the bed.
Anything else that I can do for you, ma'am?
Nothing. We'll just call you if I need something else.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.